Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do a complete love reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video guys, then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So let's start the reading. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising and Venus. Let's see the present. Okay. I think right now you both are focusing on your career, thinking about financial stability also, thinking about how to balance the situation right now you both are in. Because you both are in relationship, but money is also very important. So that's why you both want to be settled in your career. Maybe you already settled, you want to go into high level. Definitely want to balance your financial situation here. And the person who is watching this reading right now, definitely you want financial stability and you want to be independent financially and you want to be strong emotionally also. I'm seeing it's like self work here. uh, Definitely parallelly you both focusing on yourself, you both are focusing on self concept, which is very very important here and which is very good. But I'm seeing right now, I'm seeing some balance in your relationship, lots of passion here, and there is communication also. And what I'm seeing here, you both are like very mature individuals, thinking practically. So that's why you're focusing on your relationship at the same time parallelly focusing on how life will go, like what we need uh, for future, like financial stability, family support. You both all thinking this, what I'm getting here. Especially the person who is watching this, you want stability in your life, financial stability. You want to be rich. If you're already rich, you want to go next level. If you are like middle class, you want to go to next level. So let's see your current feelings first regarding your person and your intentions. Yeah. Why, especially Sagittarius, it's you what I'm getting here, because in your life you've gone through a lot of financial crisis. You faced, maybe your parents gone through. So that's why for now you're giving more importance to financial stability and you don't want to settle for less, because financial stability is very very important, because we got the cards here connection to the present situation, because five of pentacles, five of swords and three of pentacles. You thinking that we have to be financially stable, uh, and we need to collaborate with each other regarding financial situation. We need to build our empire, like you thinking like this. But I'm seeing some disagreements in this purpose, because your person may be not agreeing completely here. Money is not only the solution for all problems. Your money is Your person is thinking like that, but you are giving explanation here because I went through so much. You telling your person that money is so important. Without money there is no respect. Without money we can't have like luxury life, because it's everyone wish, or it's one wish. If one person want to live their life luxury, it's their wish. There is no bad in it. Okay. So I'm seeing some slight misunderstanding here, but you definitely trying to convince him. I'm seeing some communication. You're really feeling overburdened here emotionally. So don't take over stress, okay? Just try to convince them. If they're convinced, okay, not okay, then you just focus on yourself, okay? Yes, you will be in relationship, but individually you need to focus more on yourself to be financially independent. But you will be succeed, because I'm seeing Knight of Pentacles. Slowly but surely your person is going to understand you, you know that. And I'm seeing communication. You want to really express your feelings, and some of you already expressing your feelings with your person. uh, Definitely some misunderstandings here, and you both are trying to talk with each other. And lots of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energies here. And some of you are dealing with the Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energies here. So let's see your person feelings and intentions. Yeah, your person will say yes. Maybe they're taking time here to think deeply, because the current feelings, King of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and King of Swords, intentions, the Hermit, Six of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles. Under the deck we got Fool. They're feeling very very attracted to you. They're thinking practically, logically, in every way, because what you are explaining to your person is right. Okay, they also going to say as for that. And because the Hermit is all about focusing inward and getting clarity outside. And Six of Wands with Queen of Pentacles, yes, they want to have a successful relationship with you with financial stability, and they will also say yes. Okay, I'm seeing this like very matured relationship here for those who are watching. Two individuals planning everything, giving emotional support to each other, financial stability, financial support. And like it's a very good reading what I'm getting here. And the Fool is all about a brand new beginning, a brand new energy here. So let's see you post a next action. And some of you are dealing with Virgo at sign. Queen of Swords, the Sun, and Devil, and the Star. Your person is really in deeply in love with you. They obsessively thinking about you. You are their happiness. You are their sunshine. Maybe sometimes they're talking to you rudely on your face, but it doesn't mean they don't have any feelings towards you. They are in deep love. Okay, and they're going to show it when time comes. I'm saying your person will say yes. I'm saying they really want to take this into next level. And some of you are dealing with Aquarius, air sign, Leo, fire sign, or Capricorn, earth sign. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Ten of Cups, Queen of Cups, and Hanged Man, clarified by Four of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and Knight of Cups, and Chariot. So outcome wise, you both will have strong emotions, but some stuck energy will be there. So be careful, because the Hanged Man with Eight of Swords, there will be some communication blockage in near future. So deal with it properly. And Chariot is all about moving forward no matter what. And Seven of Cups like confusion. So you both need to sit and talk with each other to clarify your disputes. But I'm seeing some communication here, heartful communication. You both are going to have some heart to heart conversations. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. Knight of Swords, communication is coming and things will move forward. And Ace of Swords, clarity will come, truth will come out, and don't involve in any unnecessary arguments. Reconciliation, someone from your past is returning into your life. Codependency, addictions are affecting your romantic life, so don't addict. Okay, and heart to heart conversation. See the same message. See, universe is listening to me and listening to my viewers also. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.